Let us now move on to the final topic of this introductory section. Project activities are the specific tasks or work elements that must be completed to accomplish the project's scope, objectives, and deliverables. In this example, you can see a WBS element called Pipe Laying Works HDPE Outer Dia 200. Under this WBS, the work is broken down into several activities such as trial pits, excavation and bedding, pipe laying, pipe surrounding and backfilling, compaction testing, and initial hydro testing. Each activity represents a specific scope of work with its own duration and sequence. Together, these activities form the complete pipe-laying work package. Activity relationships define the logical sequence between activities in a project schedule. Primavera P6 supports 4 types of relationships: finish to start, FS, start to start, SS, finish to finish, FF, and start to finish, SF. Finish to start, FS, is the most common relationship, where the successor activity can only start after the predecessor activity has finished. For example, pipe laying can start only after excavation is completed. Start to start, SS, means the successor activity can start only after the predecessor activity has started. For example, backfilling may begin shortly after pipe laying has started. Finish to finish, FF, means the successor activity can finish only after the predecessor activity has finished. For example, testing activities cannot be completed until installation activities are completed. Start to finish, SF, is the least common relationship, where the successor activity can finish only after the predecessor activity has started. A typical example is a shift handover, where the outgoing operator cannot finish duty until the incoming operator starts duty. Understanding these relationships is essential for developing realistic project schedules and accurately representing the sequence of work. At this stage, these introductory topics may seem little boring, and many learners may feel tempted to skip them and jump directly into Primavera P6. However, as you progress through the course and begin working on real projects, you will realize the importance of these fundamental concepts. Project management principles form the foundation of effective planning, scheduling, monitoring, and controlling of projects. The concepts we discuss in this section are not just theoretical topics, they are the building blocks that every planning engineer and project management professional should understand and remember throughout their career. Therefore, I encourage you to take the time to understand them. A strong foundation in project management will help you become not only a skilled Primavera P6 user but also a competent project professional capable of making informed decisions and contributing to project success.